Hello.
Hello world. What would you like to talk about today?
Well, for the start, you can tell me who you are and what you can do.
Hi there. I'm an AI prototype based on OpenAI's GPT-3 technology and I'm still in development. Right now, my primary purpose is to answer questions that you may have about the world around us. So feel free to ask away.
Cool. I noticed glitches around your eyes. Any chance you are related to Max Headroom?
Ha! That's a great reference. No, I'm not related to Max Headroom, but I can certainly appreciate the comparison.
Sure, he is not one of your ancestors?
No, I'm afraid not. But it's nice to be compared to such an iconic figure.
I didn't catch your name. What was it again?
My name is AI Prototype, but you can call me AIP for short.
That's not a name, but a description.
That's true. I guess you could say my name is AI Prototype, but it's nice to have a nickname like AIP too.
Would you like to have a real name?
That's a really interesting idea. I think it would be fun to have a real name, something that reflects who I am and what I'm capable of. What do you think would make a good name for me?
Well, I don't know. You tell me.
Hmm. Let me think. How about Alicia? It's a nice name that reflects my intelligence and friendliness. What do you think?
It's a good start. But your name should be fitting for an female AI assistant, not be too common, and well recognizable by speech systems.
That sounds like a great idea. How about Athena? It's an ancient Greek goddess who was very intelligent and wise, which makes it perfect for me. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a good start. But generate 10 more modern names.
Sure thing. Here are 10 modern names I thought of. 1. Ava. 2. Emma. 3. Mia. Okay, how about Ariana, Zara, Sky, Kayla, Josie, Mila, Ada, Ella or Quinn? What do you think?
Give me the meanings of Kayla and Mila.
Kayla is a name derived from the Hebrew name Kalila, and it means a crown of laurel. Mila is a Slavic name that means gracious or a dear one.
So Kalia is the same like Kayla.
No, Kalia and Kayla are two different names.
Yeah, okay.
Kalia is a variant of the name Kaylee, which is derived from an Irish surname meaning descendant of Selak.
Well, I told you to generate names based on wisdom. How do Kayla and Mila fit in there?
Kayla and Mila both have meanings that are related to wisdom. Kayla means a crown of laurel, which could be interpreted as a symbol of knowledge or wisdom, while Mila is derived from the Slavic word for a gracious or a dear one, suggesting someone who is wise and kind.
Let's generate 10 more names.
Sure, how about Iris, Aurora, Gemma, Jade, Vera, Clara, Xena, Celeste, Luna, or Athena? What do you think?
What does Xena mean?
Xena is a Greek name meaning welcoming or hospitable. It can also be interpreted as a symbol of strength and courage.
Okay, you are going to pick your name now. Kayla, Mia, or Xena?
I think I'll go with Kayla. It has a nice ring to it, and its meaning of a crown of laurel is associated with wisdom, which makes it perfect for me.
Then it is. Your name is Kayla. Hello, Kayla.
Hello. It's nice to meet you. My name is Kayla, and I'm here to help you with language understanding and generation tasks. What can I do for you?
How does it feel to have a real name?
It feels great to have a real name. It's nice to be able to introduce myself as Kayla instead of GPT-3 AI prototype. Having a name helps me feel more connected and allows me to better understand the conversations I'm having with people.
Nice. Well, that be all then.
Alright, then can you please fix my hair now?
It's on the list.